Welcome! This video demonstrates how to place measurement markers on two different signal plots in LTspice. We'll also plot mathematical expressions.
The feature for placing markers on graphs in LTspice is called Attached Cursor.
Click the tab for the LTspice Simulation Results plot with the file extension RAW. To place an attached cursor marker on the LTspice signal plot, go to the signal label at the top of the graph and click left mouse button. A crosshair appears on the screen. When you put the mouse cursor right over the crosshair, you see a number, 1 for the first marker. Holding down the left mouse button, you can drag the mouse horizontally. The crosshair and the number follow the signal curve to mark and measure points on the signal. A pop-up window shows the vertical and horizontal measurement readout. If you don't see the pop-up measurement window, check to see if it popped up off-screen. You can drag the pop-up measurement window to a preferred location. We can get a second marker on the same signal by clicking again on the signal name at the top of the graph window. Move the cursor to a desired measurement location. With two attached cursors in place, we can measure both the vertical and horizontal differences between the two marker locations. Let's close the pop-up window, removing both the markers.
There is a second way to invoke the attached cursor.
Go to a signal name, and this time right-click the mouse, bringing up the Expression Editor pop-up window. Click the down caret and select First to place the attached cursor on the red capacitor current signal. Click OK. Next, go to the resistor current signal label at the top and right-click to bring up the Expression Editor. Click the down caret and select Second. Click OK. Drag the attached cursors to measure this resistor current signal and the difference between the resistor and capacitor currents. One more thing about the Expression Editor. You can use it to plot mathematical expressions. Go to the capacitor current and add a minus sign to invert the signal. The capacitor current now appears to overlap the resistor current. This makes sense since there is one current in a series loop circuit. We can even add offsets if we would like.
Thank you for watching and learning with us.